It's easy to start investing in real estate with Upside Avenue. Follow the step-by-step instructions here to start enjoying the benefits of a professionally managed REIT with a team of experts who know how to make multifamily investing work for you. The online investment process is totally secure and will walk you through the 5 to 7 steps it takes to make your investment. The whole process lasts about 5 to 10 minutes as long as you have your information available. Go to upsideavenue.com and click on the Invest Now button. An encrypted page will pop up for you to securely enter your information to begin the investment process. Enter your legal name and email address. Select whether you are investing as a company, a trust, an individual or individuals, or as a self-directed IRA or 401k. If you are investing jointly with another individual, select your joint account type. Enter in the amount of money you wish to invest. The box below will automatically show you how many shares your investment will purchase. Select how you will transfer your funds to the REIT, whether through an electronic check or through a wire transfer. If a financial advisor is helping you fill out the form, select the box and enter your financial advisor's information. Click Next. On this page, you'll enter your personal investor information, including your name, address, phone number, social security number, and date of birth. This information is required in order to process your investment and issue financial documents. When completed, click Next. This page is required by the SEC and state securities regulations to determine if the amount you may invest is limited by law. Select whether you are an accredited investor. An accredited investor is an individual who earns more than $200,000 per year or a household who jointly earns more than $300,000 per year, has a net worth of $1 million or more, or is an institutional investor. If you select yes, that you are an accredited investor, choose the option under which you qualify as an accredited investor. If you select no, then enter your total annual income and your net worth in the appropriate boxes. Select whether you are a U.S. citizen or not. Then choose whether you are subject to backup withholding through the IRS. Click Next. This page is where you enter your financial information to begin the funds transfer if you selected to transfer through an electronic check. If you choose to do a wire transfer, you will see a subscription agreement form instead. Sign and print the agreement for your records, then click Next. The final page will show that you have completed the investment process. If you chose to do a wire transfer, instructions on how to complete the wire transfer will be listed. Your investment will be considered complete as soon as your funds are wired to the bank account listed. Once we receive your investment, we will send you an email invitation to view your client portal. This is your one-stop shop for all your investment information, documents, tax forms, and information about the properties we're investing in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our investor relations team by calling 512-492-8882 or email investors@upsideavenue.com. They are happy to hear from you and answer any questions you may have.